how to upload videos to the iCloud, but manually, right? So we don't prefer the automatic option, which you can of course enable inside of the settings, profile, and iCloud. You can turn on the automatic photos syncing. But if you don't like that, and if you prefer the manual approach, you can do it in a different way. Because first of all, you might be interested in opening up the iCloud.com web interface through the Safari web browser, where you can log into your account and access the photos. And there is, in fact, the upload button present, right? So you can upload stuff from the gallery to the iCloud photos specifically, but as you can see, it only applies to the photos, and videos are simply not here, so that doesn't work either. So the only way to upload photos, to upload videos to the iCloud manually is to move it to the iCloud drive. So not the iCloud photos, but the iCloud drive. And you would do it by opening up the Photos app, locating the videos, right, as usual, and you would tap the share, then save to files, and from the locations you don't save it to the local storage, but you decided to put it on the iCloud drive. Right there you can click on save, and the video will be moved over to the iCloud, right? So it just gets like uploaded right there. So that is how it works. I know it's not ideal, but we have to work with what we have available from Apple. So let me know if you manage to find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll talk to you soon in the next tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.